How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to talk about safety. So if you're working on your car all the time and you're using a jack, I have a device that will make your jack into a jack stand. So in today's video we're going to talk about the jack rod from AGM. This will make your jack into a jack stand, and we're going to do a review on this product. So guys, let's get started. So this is the jack rod. So this device will turn your jack into a jack stand. So basically you're gonna eliminate the jack stand if you're using this device. So let's go check out what's inside. Okay. So it's this unit's a bit heavy, that you can tell that the quality is really good. Get some nice welding there. So you have a pin here to lock it in place. So you get your pin here to make it into a 3.5 ton, because they have a variant jack rod that doesn't have the pin, that's only rated for 2.5 ton or 2 ton, I think. Yeah, it's only for 2 ton without the pin. So with the pin it becomes a 3.5 tons. So you can pull it out so you can check it how it functions. So basically you press here and it triggers all the way to the max, and this one locks it in place automatically. So to make it 3.5 you have to lock it here. So that's it. So now it's locked in place. So I can tell that this is a good quality. As you can see, the welds on this rod here, it's really good, and it's a very solid metal. It's heavy, not that heavy, but you can tell that the unit is beefy. Like it's not a cheap product. There's a spring here for the rod, and also there's a spring inside. As you can see, there's a spring inside, so when you trigger it, that spring inside will push it outward, and then it's gonna lock automatically with the spring here. So we'll measure how long the minimum. So if you're gonna measure from, I say, edge to edge of the contact of the jack, it's 8.25. If you go to the maximum, so it's 14 inches, exactly 14 inches. So it will support the jack from 8.25 to 14 inches high. So yeah, as you can see, the quality is it's really nice. So this is made by AGM, and it's patented, so nobody can knock off this device. Well, for safety, I think I'd rather have this than just the jack stand or just the jack alone. So now we're gonna check it out, how this thing works. So this is the jack that I always use when I'm working on my car, and as you can see, I never trust any jack, because this can break anytime without warning, and it's dangerous if you're working underneath the car. And if this thing breaks, that's it, because you can never trust this jack. It's working on hydraulics, so the hydraulics can give anytime, can break anytime. It can leak, it can break, and that's dangerous if you're working underneath the car. If you're just using a jack, it's not good. It's very dangerous. So this is my jack stand. I'm having a hard time sometimes to put it underneath the car. I don't know the location where I can put it properly. and I'm always in doubt where I put it. Maybe it's not a good place. Plus, when you're working underneath the car, it's always on the way all the time. So, it's hard to find a location where you can put this. I know you can put it on the frame, but still, there's a lot of location where you can put this that it's hard to tell if it's gonna give you a good support or not. So that's why the jack rod, I think, will turn this jack into a jack stand, so you don't need to worry about placing a jack stand underneath your car. Now we'll go check it out. So once you lift your car to the proper height, then you can install the jack rod. I'm gonna show it to you right now. So once you got it installed, you don't need to put all the weight on the jack rod. It's only there to support you in case the jack fails. So what you have to do now, once you installed it, just release a little bit of weight on the jack, and it's going to compress the jack rod to go down a bit, and that's it. You don't want to put the full weight on the jack rod. It's just there for support. So it's good for 3.5 tons of weight to support on a jack. So guys, I really like this jack rod. So now I don't have to worry about safety every time I work underneath my car. So if you're interested in this jack rod, I'm gonna put down the link down below. So guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.